Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, we have completed Companion 5A children. Today, let's go with the remaining textual exercises. Open Studio page number 74. See, children, what it's there. The doves were trapped in one part of the forest. Isn't it? In forest, the forest will be small or big, children. The forest will be very big. In that one side, the doves caught in or trapped in one side, and remaining another part, some animals are having picnic. Okay, do you like picnics, children? Yes, we will go to a vacation or a place there and we will chill out there. Isn't it, children? పిక్నిక్లో ఏమేమి చేస్తాము, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి హ్యాపీగా ఆడుకుంటాము, స్నాక్స్ తింటాము. We will do some entertainment things also there. See, children, here the animals are having their picnic. See, here elephants are standing and monkeys are playing, rabbits are eating carrots, and here squirrels also playing here, children. Now let's answer these questions. How many monkeys are playing? Dash monkeys. How many monkeys are playing, children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. Write 3 here. THREE. 3. 3 monkeys. And next, how many rabbits are eating carrots? Dash rabbits. Okay, how many rabbits are eating carrots, children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Write 5 here. FIVE. 5. Okay, next. How many squirrels are running around? How many squirrels are running around? See, children, how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Right here, 4. See, children, how you are telling? This is rabbit. If 5 rabbits are there, we are telling it rabbits. Okay, rabbit is a noun and we are telling rabbits. That means if more than one, ఒకటి కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే మనం ఆ నౌన్ని కొంచెం మార్చాల్సి వస్తుంది. రైట్, ర్యాబిట్ అని పిలిచే వర్డ్ని ర్యాబిట్స్ అని పిలుస్తున్నాం. Isn't it, children? Let's read more about this. The monkeys, rabbits, elephants and the squirrels are having a picnic together. People usually go as a group on a picnic. Isn't it, children? Only one person will go to picnic, or as a group we will go? Yes, we will go to a picnic as a group. Right, children? Now see, when we refer to more than one person or animal or a place or a thing, we use the plural form of the noun. What we will use, children? We will use the plural form. Plural means what? More than one, and singular means one. ఎస్, సీ చిల్డ్రన్, అంటే ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉన్న పర్సన్స్ కానీ, యానిమల్స్ కానీ, ప్లేస్ కానీ, థింగ్స్ కానీ, ఇదేదైనా ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆ నౌన్కి మనం ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. లెట్స్ సీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, 3 monkeys play. 3, హౌ మెనీ? 3 monkey or monkeys? Monkeys, because more than one we are adding s here. Monkeys play. This is the plural form of the noun. It is a noun or not, children? Yes, noun. Noun means name. Name kada. That means it is a noun and we are using a plural form of the noun. Let's see, children, in next page also. When we refer to one person, animal, place or thing, we use the singular form of the noun. Only one person, not more than one, only one. We will use singular form, single. Okay? Remember like that, singular form means only single, one person or one animal or one thing should be there. A baby elephant plays. Okay, a baby elephant plays. Let's see children, let's fill these blanks also. Look at the picture of the forest again and fill in the blanks. Again, look at this picture children. Now I will ask these questions. There are three dash standing together. Who is standing here? Three. Tell me. Yes, very good. Three. What is it? Elephants. Okay. How we have to say elephant or elephants? Very good. We will say as elephants because more than one there are three. That means we have to write here. There are three elephants. 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 Okay children. Next question I'll ask. You see the picture. Next. There is one dash filled with carrots. See children, where is carrots first? Here the carrots. And something is filled with carrots. What is it? Basket. Very good. Baskets or basket? Yes, basket. Because there is only one basket. We will use the singular form. Right children, basket here. There is one basket. 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 There is one basket filled with carrots. Okay children, see the difference here. If one thing is there, we will use only singular form. If more than one is there means we will use plural form. Here are some examples of singular and plural nouns. Let's see children, these are singular and these are plural nouns. Say along with me. Book, books. Dog, dogs. Bag, bags. Boy, boys. Okay children, one single and more than one we will use this. Can you think of a common noun that is always in the singular form? Discuss it in class. Okay, common nouns will have the plural forms always. Okay, common noun means what children? Common noun means the names we will give in general. Book. For all books we can say book only. Dog. For all dogs we can call dog. Dog, dog, dog. So many dogs will be there. For each dog we will call as dog only. That means common. In general we are giving this dog name. Right children? These names can be called as common nouns. Isn't it? Okay children, most common nouns have plural forms. For example, isn't it? Most of the common nouns will have the plural nouns. Anni common nouns ki, maximum anni common nouns ki plural forms untundi. See children, girl, girls, line, lines, desk, desks. Like that children. Okay? And we will see the plural forms of the proper noun. We will see the proper noun will have the plural nouns or not. We will see in the next class. Okay, common noun ki maximum plural nouns ఉంటాయని నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ప్రాపర్ నౌన్స్కి ప్లూరల్ నౌన్స్ ఉంటుందో లేదో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, you complete these 2 pages and once revise singular and plural words also and try to do practice. You will have some common nouns around you, isn't it children? You will have some common nouns around you. Try to write plurals for that common nouns. ఓకే, కొన్ని కామన్ థింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, కామన్ నేమ్స్ ఉన్న థింగ్స్ మీ చుట్టూ ఉండొచ్చు. వాటికి ప్లూరల్ నౌన్స్ రాయడానికి మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. లైక్ చైర్, చైర్, చైర్స్. Okay children, like that you try to do. This is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.